This batch looks excellent. Keep up the pace.
We are moving the next pallet now.
Scan complete. Ready for shipment.
Powerful bubble washers clean the strawberries deeply. Thousands of tiny bubbles surround the strawberry. Gentle motion
Make sure we catch anything soft before it reaches the washer. Got it. These look perfect though.
The consistency looks good on this batch.
Yes, the cuts are very uniform. Ready for the next stage.
Massive steam-heated kettles start cooking the mixture. The strawberry blend slowly heats up.
The mixture has reached the target consistency.
Confirmed. The automated analysis shows consistent quality across the batch.
The strawberry mixture reaches ideal consistency. Automatic systems test thickness levels. The jam develops a glossy appearance.
Advanced equipment maintains consistency. Every ingredient works in harmony. The factory focuses on perfection, and premium quality remains the goal.
The strawberry jam enters holding tanks temporarily. Large reservoirs store the finished product. Temperature remains carefully. Glass strawberry jars pass through sterilization equipment. Hot steam cleans every container thoroughly.
Sealed strawberry jars enter cooling tunnels. Controlled airflow reduces product temperature. The jam stabilizes inside the containers.
The graph here indicates a slight variance in fill levels, but it's within tolerance. Pallet 34B, aisle 7, slot C. Confirm placement.
Easy now, bring it in.
All verified. Manifest checked.
Truck 34B, you are clear to depart. Bay 4, next up is the regional shipment.
The manufacturing process proves successful. Demand continues growing. The manufacturing process proves successful. Demand continues growing. Look how fresh it looks.
Here you go, sweetie.
This is delicious.
It tastes so fresh.
I love it.